In this video, I will demonstrate our recent work on compliant geo-distributed data processing. My name is Kaustubh. I'm a postdoctoral researcher in the database group at TU Berlin. In this work, our goal is to enable analysis of data that is stored in disparate databases across geographical or institutional borders. Although research on distributed data processing has shed light on several performance aspects, a new dimension of data flow constraints has not yet been fully considered. These constraints arise from regulations that impose restrictions on the movement of data across national or institutional borders. For example, we may ship only certain information fields or only aggregated data from Europe to America. It is therefore crucial to consider compliance with respect to data movement when querying geo-distributed data. We have developed a framework for compliant query processing in geo-distributed environments. Specifically, we consider that geo-distributed data is stored in SQL tables. Our framework provides a simple and intuitive policy expression language which allows for declarative specification of data flow constraints. The framework includes a policy evaluation mechanism and a compliance-based query optimizer, which in addition to performance aspects also considers data flow constraints to produce compliant execution plans. And lastly, its multi-database query executor enables decentralized execution that ensures compliance with respect to data movement among distributed databases. And we have built an interactive dashboard that demonstrates these novel aspects of our framework. One can easily set up our framework on top of existing PostgreSQL servers by providing a configuration file that points to disparate databases at different locations. In this demonstration, we have considered a geo-distributed adaptation of the TPCH benchmark data where tables are distributed among 5 PostgreSQL servers. Let us now specify some data flow policies. Here we are specifying that there are no restrictions for the data in the Middle East. That is, everything from Middle East is allowed to be shipped outside. Let us also now specify some policies pertaining to customer data in Europe. While we are specifying no restrictions on the table keys, only certain information fields that do not include a customer's account balance, address, and phone number can be shipped to America. Let us also assume that the keys from orders table can be shipped everywhere. Note that we follow a conservative approach in that unless specified otherwise, no data whatsoever is allowed to be shipped outside. Now, let us consider a simple query that involves joining data from different regions. Here the query is joining data from Europe, America, and Middle East. And the goal is to produce an execution plan that does not violate any of these policies. Observe that a traditional cost-based optimization approach leads to a non-compliant plan, as it ships customer data that includes customer's account balance, address, and other prohibited information to America. On the other hand, our compliance-based query optimizer produces a compliant plan. Although this plan is similar to the one before, observe the projection operation before shipping data to America. It projects out prohibited information as desired by the policy in Europe. Let us now update our policy catalog by adding a policy that allows certain records from the line item table in America to be shipped outside. Further, let's modify our query by also asking customers' account balance information. In this scenario, our compliance-based optimizer decides to ship data from America rather than from Europe, as the account balance must not be shipped, and pushing down the filter operation allows it to ship data from America. For many data, policies often require shipping only certain information fields that are aggregated. Our policy language supports specifying such policies via aggregate expressions which specify which fields must be aggregated, using which aggregate functions, and by which attributes they can be grouped by. For a moment, let's disable the earlier policy and consider a slightly different query that joins data from EU and America. Here too, traditional optimization leads to a non-compliant plan as it ships information other than orders key to America, whereas a compliance-based optimizer leads to a compliant plan by enforcing push-down optimizations for aggregates, as the new policy we added desires, and it is possible to do so without affecting the query semantics. Lastly, the multi-database executor for compliant plans orchestrates a decentralized execution, ensuring compliance with respect to data movement. To conclude, our work focuses on compliance aspects in distributed query processing. Our framework includes a compliance-based query optimizer, simple policy expression language, and a multi-database query executor. Check out a recent SIGMOD paper to learn more about our work.